Hello everyone, this is Aida Gholami from Agrimat Soft Research Lab, and in today's video I'm going to teach you how to do left trim in Excel. So you can see I have a cell. I've written Jack and John in the cell. You can see it has bunch of excessive spaces. Okay, so you just want one space in between each two words, and you want probably no leading spaces in the left side of your text. But in here you have more than that. You have more spaces than standard version. So in here the purpose of this video is to show how to trim the cell without removing these spaces. Okay, we do not want to remove them. We want them to be in the output, but we want to delete the leading spaces, the left side spaces of the text. Okay, so that's our purpose. What we do in here is that we use a combination of MID or met function, find, trim, and len. Okay, and I'll show you how to use that combination in order to do left trim in Excel. So let's start. Now the first thing you should do, actually the path we want to go through is that we want to define a function which can find the first character after these bunch of spaces. Okay, we want to first find the first character, and then we want to tell Excel that to what extent does this characters continue, and to what extent do we want to extract this text in and show it in the output. Okay, so that's our way to go through solving this problem. So I'll start using, so first I want to find the first character. Okay, I'll use find function in combination with MID function, and in MID I use trim of this cell because I want to first, delete all the spaces and then show the first character. Okay, trim of that, and with MID I want to find the first character. Okay, so MID of trimmed A1 first character up to the first character. So then I will have the first character in my hands. Then I close the parentheses of MID function, and then for find, we know that in find function we have what we are looking for and the cell we are going to look in. So then I select A1 also, and I close the parentheses of find. Let's see what does it represent now. Okay, so what does it mean? It means that J as the first character is the 8th character in this string. Okay, now we continue. So then we use MID function again, and we want to extract the 8th character up to the length of that text. So I'll get A1 again. I want to extract my desired text in A1. I want to start from the 8th character, and then I want to extract up to length of this cell. Okay, I again close the parenthesis to close the MID function also. So you can see the result is exactly what we wanted. So we have deleted the leading spaces, and we have the spaces in between words in here. So that's it in how we do left trim in Excel. Another explanation that I wanted to represent in here is about MID function. So what does MID function do? So you use MID, you can see it returns the characters from the middle of a text string given a starting position and length. So you want to, So you want to select the text, and then you want to define the starting number. So let's say I define 15 and number of characters as 5. And it extracted and from this cell. I can go for 16 and 4 so that it deletes that space before, and that's it. Okay, so that was just to show you what does MID do if you are a little confused. So that's it. And another thing that I wanted to mention is that if you have space jack and that's it, you can use the simple trim function. So if you select the cell, you can see it automatically deletes the leading spaces. But we have to combine those like formulas and functions in order to delete the leading spaces and not delete the in-between spaces. Okay, so trim does that, but if we use the trim function only, it deletes all the spaces except the one spaces that are required between two words. You can see it deletes all spaces. Okay, so that's it for today's video. I hope you learned something new. I have other videos about trim function in Excel and all other functions in Excel. I have also a lot of videos about regression, about p-value, about some statistical concepts in Excel, and I will be happy if you go check them out in the YouTube channel of AgriMathSoft team. I will see you in the next videos. I hope you have a good day. I hope you've enjoyed the video, and I will see you in the next videos, and bye.